Hello, I'd like to introduce you to John Somerville, who we have been working with for over the last 6 months, working on a very, very innovative programme about collection of waste. So, John, over to you. Please tell us what you've been up to.
Okay, lovely to be here, Jenny. So it's a 6-month-long project funded by Innovate UK. We've been taking textile scraps from companies like yourselves, and we've been converting them into a fibre that we can use to make MDF boards. That's medium density fibre board. It's ubiquitous, it's everywhere. It's used in kitchens, desks, offices, needing construction, shop fitting, things like that. This is an example of one of the intermediate boards.
Yeah.
And we've also made a boring grey one because the manufacturers prefer that.
Yeah.
But this is the one I had with me today. This is 30% textile waste, and this is textile waste that is genuinely saved from incineration. So that's where it would go from companies. Typically, it goes in the general waste.
So I know we were one company and you work with another company as well. So what makes it really innovative is when we do our cutting, this is what we get. Right? You can't use that for anything else. That is genuine waste. And also it's multi-fibre. So here's a cotton piece. So we've obviously done some reprocessing work. We've taken off a sleeve. That's the georgette, satin back crepe. So these are a mixture of fibres, which makes it impossible to sort. So this is the only project I'm aware of that actually is that innovative on scraps. What's the process behind it?
So the process is proprietary.
Yes.
In a nutshell, we break it down to create fibres.
So when you break it, are you shredding it?
It's shredding plus a little bit more.
Okay.
So we're actually breaking it into fiberized fluff.
Okay.
So MDF is made from wood fibre.
Yeah.
Which is you take a tree,
you
heat it up, you shred it at 8 bar 200 degrees centigrade to get sort of wood fluff. It's a very high energy process.
And we're chopping down trees to do that. Yeah.
And we can effectively turn mixed textile waste into textile fluff that works in the same way in the MDF process.
And can you paint this?
So you can paint it, you can coat it. In fact, it takes coatings better than usual MDF because it's got the surface keys really well.
Yes.
And it's also more moisture resistant than conventional MDF.
Okay. So this has been a very successful 6-month project, and I believe you're going for second round funding because it's been so successful. We have a lot of retail connections as Fashion-Enter and FashionCapital.co.uk. So we want to actually really support on dissemination of best practices, speaking to Leicester and getting more factories involved in collection of the waste because we have a site there. And we really want to push the project out because it's excellent. And I don't know anything that's as good and worthwhile for saving waste.